You know, most people look at a classic car and only see the paint and badges. But I look at the VIN number and warranty plates because that's where the real story begins. Every classic has a set of codes on it stamped direct from the factory. The VIN, or what Ford called the warranty number, tells you the year, plant, body style, and engine. The data plate, or the cowl tag, fills in the rest: paint, interior, build date, and options. When you decode both, the car starts talking. Take this 1969 Camaro, for example. The cowl tag told us it was a V8 built at the Norwood plant. The cowl tag gave us the real origin. It's an X11. That means it left the factory as a base V8 coupe in Cortez silver, not a true SS. But if it had been a super sport, the cowl tag would have said X22 or X66. But what happened next is the cool part. A previous builder turned it into a street machine with a big block 454. And we went to some real lengths to try to find the casting number on this motor. It was messy, it was greasy, and it was well hidden, but it told the story of what this motor actually is. That's a 4th generation 454 big block, and they paired it with a real 4-speed manual. So the badges say one thing, the factory code says another, and the car itself became something in between. Then there's this beautiful 1965 Mustang convertible. And the warranty plate told us it was a late build T-code inline 6 from Dearborn, Michigan. But when we checked the door plate, that's where the mystery showed up. The date code said July 22nd, 1965. The paint code said 5, twilight turquoise. But Ford had already discontinued that color almost a full year earlier. But the consumers in Michigan still wanted that color. And the Dearborn District Sales Office received so many complaints that summer that Ford had no choice but to mix their infamous last batch of twilight turquoise just for those cars that came off the line July of 1965 in Dearborn, Michigan. And this is one of those cars. And that's the kind of factory puzzle that every collector loves. 2 cars with 2 different stories, both hidden in the stamps until we went looking. And they're on the lot here at Victory Auto Store in Stuart, Florida. Come check them out. See if you can add anything to the mystery.